Hi everyone, welcome to Yee Add-ons. Today I'm going to show you how to use color picker for Elementor Forms to add color choices to your form and automatically change elements on the page when a user selects a color. Before we begin, make sure the plugin is installed and activated. I already have a form, so let's get started. Add a new field. For type, choose color picker. Give it a label, for example, choose color. Choose type field, radio. Inside the color picker field, open the options section and add your color choices. For each option, enter label, value, color code that gets submitted in the form. Color, just the preview color shown inside Elementor when you're editing. I will delete some colors. Click Save, then open a preview. Here you can see the color picker displayed on the form. If you want users to pick only from your preset colors, leave Allow Custom Color turned off. Now there is no custom color action here. Next, let's configure the settings. Change target element. Enter the CSS selector of the element you want to change when a color is selected. Let's have an example. I want the Send button to change color automatically based on the selected color. So I head to the button section, assign it an ID, for example Z, then go back to the color picker field, paste the selector Z. Now save and preview. When I choose blue, the button instantly turns blue. Default. Choose a default color value if you want one color pre-selected. For example, set pink as default. You can see the pink is pre-selected. Theme controls how color boxes are displayed. I try to choose circle. Preview it. Box width and box height. These control only the size of the color boxes. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.